guys, so I had some requests on how to do an acrylic dip. These are some coasters that I did. This is a canvas. The coasters have already been resined. The canvas has not. So I'm gonna start by putting some nails, tacks, or pins. Back there. And then I'm going to take a black marker and just outline it. This is just a cheap dollar store garbage bag. My paints are already mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. There's a little bit of silicone, a couple drops in each one. You can use silicone with the dip or you don't have to. It's up to you. When I measure my Floetrol, I just take these little measuring cups. I also get these from the dollar store. So it would be 1 of these with paint and 2 of these with Floetrol. And I just pour it in the bottle and shake it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and just start filling in my area. What's cool about using this garbage bag is when you're done, you can let it dry and you can have skins. It'll peel right off of here. You could choose any color combination you want. You can see the yellow had some silicone in it and the purple did not. So I'm just using purple, magenta, yellow, and then a little bit of white. I'm just gonna make sure all of the garbage bag is covered. Alright, and then I'm going to take my canvas and I'm going to hold it by the tacks and just drop it in there. And you want to just lightly apply a little bit of pressure, a little bit in here, or there'll be a couple spots that are missing paint. Just move it around a little bit. This is a little popsicle stick, and I'm just gonna do one swipe. And then I'm gonna pull it up. And voila. And how I get the sides, I just hold it by the tacks and I just dip. Super easy. And then since there is already tacks, you can just set it down and let it dry. I do see, just noticed, a little spot is missing right there. Now you can use this for skins, or if you have a lot of paint left over, and you want some matching coasters, I like to spray a little alcohol in my coasters and wipe them off to make sure they're clean. Gonna have my cups ready. There you go, matching coasters. So like I said, if you like the design here, you can just leave it until it dries, and you could peel it right off and make skins out of them. So I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time.